Hello YouTube. So I just did my pre-trip. I got the CB going, so if you hear some talking on it, I'm listening to it to get road reports or anything else that could be very important. So yeah, I got it turned up. I don't have it muted like I normally do. Alright, let's lock my diffs. Just to prevent some sliding. I did not set my trailer brakes. Don't set your trailer brakes in winter. That way they don't freeze up on you. You don't have to try to go banging on them. But let's get to rolling and try to make a little bit of money today. Don't know how far down the road I'm going to get, but we're going to try. This video is only going to be 10 minutes long. It's not going to be any longer than that. I'm not sure when it will cut out, but I got it set to just do a 10-minute recording. I'm not going to do any music background on it. I haven't done any music background on it. Yeah, I kind of ran that stop sign, but I want to try to get out of the way for that trucker. My trailer was in his path still. Now, when you're in a snow and ice situation, don't get right up on the sign. Don't crowd it if you don't need to. It just gives you a little bit more room in case somebody starts sliding. You got a little bit more freedom to it. Let me just squelch a little. Alright, so we're going to be getting onto Highway 70, headed west, trying to get to ooh, this is really slushy, guys. Trying to get to Oklahoma City. Now, if I get out to this road and I'm not happy, you're going to see me turn right back around or take the closest pull-off area. I'm not going to sit here and break my neck for frickin' toilet paper, which is basically what I'm hauling. So let's take a look to see how traffic is doing out here. Trucks seem to be rolling pretty smoothly up there. Alright, I unlocked my diff because you shouldn't use that to drive. You should only use that to get yourself out of a situation or for like a parking lot. So if I can't make it without it on, then we're going to stop again. Alright, there's a little bit of ice right here, but not too bad. Oh, road top actually looks pretty good, not counting this mess right here. Alright, now as I said in my last video, don't put on your defrosters. It just melts the snow, which creates ice. Alright, so we're going to maintain 55 miles for right now, which is about the speed that everybody else appears to be going. And we'll see how that works. But anyway, if you're just now tuning into my videos, please hit that subscribe button, or let me know what you think of it, or what I can do to make my videos better. I will be doing, oh, that was a hawk that I don't know if it froze to death or what, but it was on the side of the road, the driver's side. I don't know if you guys were able to see that or not, but there was a frozen hawk. But yeah, hit that subscribe button. If you're a long-time viewer, thank you for watching. I do appreciate all the likes and the comments. I made $4,000 in the last 2 weeks video showing my pay stubs. Okay, there's a lot of people that say, oh, I made this much, but when you start asking for pay stubs, they don't have it. So I wanted to show that I actually had those. Alright, so road condition. Center of the lane looks icy or glassed over, especially in the left lane. The right lane, not too bad. So you really wouldn't want to go doing lane changing because you're going to cross over 2 ice sections. So whatever we do, we're just going to stay right in this lane for the most part anyway. I looked at the weather map before I drove off, and we shouldn't have any new snowfall until maybe further down the road. We get some more. So hopefully we can try to get through this. I got 398 miles to go till my next fuel stop. And then from there, Vermont, Missouri is where we're going to be stopping to get fuel. It shouldn't be that far from there. I think it's like another 300 miles from there to our final in Oklahoma City. So we won't be able to make it today if we're able to drive the clock out all the way. But we should be able to get pretty close. That's if we don't. That's if I don't have to pull over before then. Alright, so we're coming up on 7 minutes of video now. So it's going to be ending here pretty shortly. As you can see, the roads are fairly good. This trucker really shouldn't be trying to cross. You can see that over there, the ice is really kind of up on top of the road. Pick up speed a little bit. The road appears to be decent. Alright, I don't know if you were able to see that in the video, but I just got pushed by the wind. It's pretty windy out there, especially on these large flats right here. Hopefully in these trees I'll be sheltered a little bit better. Hopefully you guys can still see outside fairly clearly. The windows are coated with a little bit of moisture, and the windshield wipers are a little cold still. Like we're getting a little bit of snowfall here. Not a whole lot. Anyway, now we're at 9 minutes. So I'll go ahead and say thank you for watching. Please comment, like, rate, and subscribe. If there's any particular videos you would like to see, please let me know. This video should be uploaded later on tonight because I'm not going to do any video editing on it. So it's going to be real time, as is, where is, first take, first everything. Hopefully it'll load correctly without doing all the editing. That's why I've been having a lot of problems with my 360 video lately. So hopefully this one works good. Anyway, stay safe out there. If you have any questions, throw it in the comments. Thank you for watching. I think I've already said that once. And hit that subscribe button. Take it easy, guys.